What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, man. Some cool news, actually not news, but a little bit of an update with iOS 13. As you guys know, I've been rocking it on pretty much all my devices. Dark mode on, I have everything set, and I just kind of want to get you guys up to speed, just like how iOS 13 has been just a few days later. And I've been dropping so many iOS 13 videos that I really need to chill out with it, but let me know whether I should keep doing them. I mean, I know a lot of you guys like seeing this much coverage about iOS 13 because it's about to come out, it's about to be on your phone. So kind of talking about things that are wrong with it, great things with it, all that good stuff. But let me know by hitting the like button or just commenting something, I don't know. But what I will tell you is that iOS 13 is a very, very powerful update, okay? There's tons of features, there's tons of things added to it, and I love it a lot so far. You know, I've been messing with it so far with all my devices, like I stated, all the way from the SC, 6S, all the way to the 10 and 10R. And I'll definitely tell you, like I said, I like it, but there's definitely issues with it as expected. You know, you should expect to see some type of problems when you're installing a beta. So I don't want to go hard on it too much because this is a beta, and as a beta, especially beta 1, there's going to be tons of issues with it and problems. So I just want to talk about a couple things that have really been probably bothering me the most. And the first thing is, and I've already made a video about this addressing it, but my iPhone 7 getting into that continuous boot looping issue. I still haven't fixed it yet. I mean, it's a pretty easy fix. I just have to go to DFU mode and restore it. I've already done that, but it's just kind of weird that that is the case. I mean, in my opinion, it really shouldn't be happening where it's just constantly rebooting over and over and over again. So I will have an update and show you guys how to fix it on your own device. So keep a look down on the channel so you guys don't make the same mistakes that I did. That's kind of a back end thing. That's kind of a thing I've already talked about 20 times. Another slight little issue I've been having, it's more of a bug I think with iOS 13, is when you force touch into an app and you go to peek and pop or whatever it's called, you'll notice that it takes an additional a second or two, a millisecond. It takes probably twice as long as doing a regular force touch as you would before. So when you force touch into it, you can see it just takes a little bit second. It's not really the craziest thing in the world, but it's kind of a little bug right there. I did have some apps crashing every once in a while, but it really wasn't an everyday thing. It wasn't even an every hour or whatever. I'm making it seem like it's way worse than it was. I think it happened one time when I don't remember, maybe the reminders app or something, but I went into it and it just randomly crashed on me. I am going to start submitting bug reports to Apple so they can go and see these things and fix them in future releases. But really, it's nothing too crazy, especially for a beta 1. Now, there's a lot of bugs with it, don't get me wrong. Like I said, I didn't want to go hard on it too much. For a beta 1, this is pretty solid. I remember with iOS 11 beta 1, that was horrible. That had so many bugs in it. Even the last official version of iOS 11 had a lot of bugs in it too. And really, all my other iPhones have been handling iOS 13 good so far too. Really, no random shutdowns, no random anything. The iPhone SE is really, really good at iOS 13. It handles it very, very well. Like I said, nothing too crazy out there that I wouldn't have already expected from a beta 1. Standby time has been very, very good on these devices too. I have seen reports of people saying their battery life has actually improved with iOS 13. I think it's kind of far-fetched to say that so far. I mean, it's not too crazy again, like I said, but we're still in a beta 1, so I wouldn't expect anything too crazy right now. I will show you guys my battery life so far, just pretty much on standby time and using it every so often for these videos. Really, as you can see, I haven't really been using it too much, but you can kind of take a sense on the standby time. And you can see I haven't been really using anything too crazy here either. But overall, what I'll definitely tell you is, in terms of battery life, it will definitely be the same, if not a little bit better, once the official version comes out. It's really too soon to say whether the battery life has crazily improved or not. If I had to take a stab at it, I will definitely tell you that the battery life will probably not improve for a while. Apple's going to be making a lot of changes, a lot of bug fixes, all that stuff. So it's going to be a minute before we see increases that we can noticeably see in terms of speed or battery. But in terms of the features that iOS 13 has brought so far, I'm definitely happy with it. Apple just needs to go and focus on stability of it. The speed already, like I said, for most of my devices has actually improved with the 6S and the 6S Plus. The speed has been pretty good and consistent for the amount of features that it's bringing. So I'll definitely tell you, overall, I like iOS 13. The last couple of days I've been messing with it. It seems like it's a huge, pretty big update. But like I always say, don't go and update to a beta. That's a really bad idea. But that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, leave it down in the comment section below. Hit that like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. All those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could check it out. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.